What's the meaning of coati? Coati. Coati.
Coati. Coati. A coati is a type of mammal that belongs to the raccoon family, found in tropical and subtropical forests in Central and South America. They are known for their long snouts and flexible noses which they use to search for food. Coatis are also recognized by their ringed tails, and they are omnivorous animals, eating a variety of fruits, insects, and small animals. These creatures are often inquisitive and intelligent, displaying playful behavior and establishing close social bonds within their groups. Overall, the coati is a fascinating animal with unique physical and behavioral characteristics.